So today I'll be showing with you how to use our Accelerate Learning platform. So once you are logged in, you will see this specific homepage. And on your right side, you will see course announcement. Click on read more. It will show you what are the units that you need to complete for term 1, also the due dates for each assessment or for each unit. If you will see here, there are different session weeks for different units. So if I may suggest, kindly add this due date on your personal calendar on your mobile phone so you can be mindful or you will be reminded of when to submit your assessment. Also, on the course announcement page or on this part, you will see the name of your trainer, the email address of your trainer if you have any questions or clarifications regarding your lecture or on your assessment. Also, the room number and the lecture day is also added here if you haven't received your timetable or if you just want to see the day wherein you need to attend your class or the delivery date for your lecture. You can also refer to this part. And on the middle part of this page, you will see the course that you are currently enrolled in. It will also give you the duration on when will be the start of your course and when it will end. Given that you have completed all the assessments on time, you will be completing Certificate 4 in Business on January 12, 2025. This is just an example. And also, you will see here 4 tabs. We have workshops, resources, learnings, and assessments. The important part here is the workshop. This is where you're going to see all the classes that you are enrolled in the future, or if there are any classes that you have completed in the past. Okay. And the next important thing here is the assessments. We can go back to homepage and then click on assessment to do. On the assessment to do, this will be like a list of all the assessments that you need to complete for term 1. And it will give you a brief description on how you're going to complete your assessment on this page. So, for example, on assessment task 2 skill test, it is a written assessment and it also has the status of your assessment which is not started yet. Let us use BSB HRM 413 as an example. Let's click on this part. And to complete your assessment, you just need to click on next, or it would be like a carousel type to move on to your next question. And on this part, before you click on start attempt, you will see here start attempt 1 out of 4. It means that you have 4 attempts to complete or to have a satisfactory grade or competent grade. If you have exceeded 4 attempts, you will be paying $50 for each resubmission fee. Okay? Also, on the overview part here, you will see how many questions that it is inside the skill test or on this written assessment. Later on, this part will be updated once you have completed your assessment. For now, since you haven't started the assessment yet, the status of your unit is on not started. Okay, this is going to be like an overview of how you're going to complete the assessment, the instructions, and also please be mindful of this part. The request for an extension to submit your assessment work must be made before the due date. Okay? Please make sure that you advise your trainer or you can reach out to any of our campus officers or team members if you would need any due date. But please send it first to your trainer or to our academics team managers or team members so we can help you with the process. Okay, so let's click on start attempt 1 out of 4. Okay, on this part, on the left side of your screen, you will see the list of the questions for this assessment, also the instructions on how to complete on the right side. Okay, if you have understood everything and then you are ready to complete your assessment, click on begin. All right, there are other assessment that has hyperlinks. I would highly encourage you to click on hyperlinks first and see if those are working or these documents are downloaded correctly. Okay? And if you have encountered any error, please let us know so we can help you out. And if everything is all good and the documents are properly downloaded and you can access it on your computer, you can now proceed with next. On your student declaration, this is where you declare that all the submissions or assessments and the answers that you will be providing are solely from you. Okay, this is also like an acknowledgement that you know that any false declaration is a form of malpractice and will lead to any repercussions. Okay, now to complete this part, make sure to tick this box and your full name. So, for example, I'll use my name as an example here and then click on Save and Next. Proceed with the questions. Okay, please make sure to read everything and again answer or click on Save and Next. Make sure that all the links are working and all the documents are readable on your end. If everything is okay, make sure to click the boxes below if it is recorded or indicated on your assessment. Okay? Click on Save and Next. I'm just clicking this for example only, but please make sure to read everything before you move on to the next question. All right, let's see. Okay, so on this part, I'll just put on sample answer. Also, you will be able to download or, I'm sorry, to upload the files needed in completing your assessment. For example, if you do not have a Microsoft Office in your computer, you can always use your Google application or your Google account and you can download it as Microsoft Office or my Microsoft Word file. Let me just get a sample here. Let's use this as an example. Okay, once everything is complete, click on Save and Submit Submission. There will be a pop-up wherein it will ask you if you are 100% with your assessment or the answers that you have provided on the assessment. If not, please go back and click on Cancel and change the assessment answers that you have provided. If you are 100% sure that all the answers that you have provided is correct and you are 100% confident, then please go ahead and click on Submit Assessment. Once you see this page, your trainer now will start on marking your assessment. Please click on Exit. Now, earlier it is not started status, and now that we have completed the assessment, this is now changed to submitted. Also, the timestamp is indicated here. Okay, and you will see that earlier it is 4 out of 4 attempts remaining. Now it's 3 out of 4 because we have used one attempt already. The feedback or the result of your assessment will be putted here, but since there's no feedback or result yet, it is grayed out. But in the event that your trainer marked it already, please click on results and see if your trainer marked you as satisfactory or not yet satisfactory. If not yet satisfactory or not yet competent, please make sure to read the feedback of your trainer and apply those feedback in correcting your assessment, and you can use your third attempt to complete your assessment and submit it again. Okay?